Hello everybody, my name is Dmitry, I'm from Smiloda, and right now let's talk about the section component. We will add section to the page and I'll show you all property in more detail and how to set up them. So let's start. We add the section to the page, just drag and drop to this area, and you can see this section added to the page. Next, what we can do is open settings. This part of a property you know, and let's go to the next. It's container size. We have three types of container, and first selected by default. It means we have background and content block with fixed width, and this block is centered in the screen. Next. We have a background and content block with full width. And last, it's like mix first and second. We have background with full width, and content block has a fixed width, is centered in the screen. Difference between these types we can see if we add some content and set some settings to this section. And for example, we can go to heading, add this with opacity, for example. And if we add volume, okay, now we have first container. It means we have fixed width with content and background. You can see background this. Next, if we choose second type, you can see background and content block now have full width. And last, we have background with full width, and content type we have only on this area, it's with fixed width. Okay, return. And now let's talk about background group. We can see now we have some color box, this field, and color picker. For example, if we use this color block, you can use by this, just click, and it depends from color scheme what you choosing on admin part. For example, now we choosing green style, and these colors, these three colors depends from this. If we choose blue, for example, it's swap to blue. And if we click to this box, we set a class of this. You not set color. If we set this class and change color scheme, you just see like this green swap to needed color. It's like not needed all content change if you change color scheme. But if need use directly this color, you just can, for example, copy and put this color or something else, for example, like this, black, and you can use like this, and this if you change color scheme, it's doesn't matter, this color still will be like this. Okay, and last, how you can change color, it's use color picker. This you just choose color what you want and set opacity, for example. And now you know how we can set background color. But we have opportunity add background image. We just need to select this, and we can see some form. If we put, for example, this, we can use blur effect, for example. You can see, we can play with it. We can take some size, just choose inside this box, and we can repeat background. Now we have a big image, not needed repeat, but you can repeat for all size, only one size, like horizontally or vertically. And next it's image size. We have original, we have container. Container, it's mean all this image must contain in this section. And for example, now we have big image, and in this container we have special height. It's not so big, and we can see like only part of this section we have background. But if you want and you know about repeat, you just click this and repeat all, only horizontally or vertically. Now it's like work like this. And next, maybe without this, next we can choose cover. Cover, it's mean we can put this image for full width. Next property what we can set, it's animation. We need just select this animation and select animation delay. And how we can check in, let's just need go to page, relevant. You can see this animation. Okay, next it's border. We can set width of border and color of them if needed, radius of border. Now we have highlight. Let's need delete this, and you can see how it works. Next, it's shadow of block. You can set some shadow, for example, inside with this position. Size of blur we have like this. Size, and we can set color, opacity, for example. And if we close this, we can see like we have some shadow inside our blocks. That's all. We will see in the next videos.